Mad Squad.
Respect. So guys, we're back again on the all-wheel drive Civic, and we're going for the maiden drive, right, Philip?
Yeah.
So we just bled the clutch, so
Don't mind me, don't
makes it
mind me.
seat and everything.
Don't mind me.
So we're going for the first maiden drive. So yeah, let's go, Philip. Technical difficulties. Not selected. Alright guys, so we have no clutch. So let's see what's going on with that. What do you think? Okay. So what do you think?
Adjusting the clutch. Pedal.
Adjusting the clutch pedal? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, guys, it wasn't engaging, so Philip is adjusting the clutch pedal to see if that will fix our problem. Then we can go for a drive. I can't wait to see this driver around the block.
I hope that fixes our problem.
Huh?
I hope it fixes our problem.
Yeah. Really hope so.
Look.
Tiny bucket with the clutch pedal. Wow. Alright. Yeah. Alright, take two. Fix your seat and everything.
Not sure.
What brand that? What brand bucket seat? That's a Recaro?
Yeah. Crate style. Crate edition.
Ah, shit. Alright. So, take two, guys. Maiden voyage. I'm wondering. It was a lot of gas we put in there, right?
Huh?
It was a lot of gas. Ah. Come on.
Yo!
You just launched the car.
It's a crate. It's a Recaro.
Yo! Yo, the man just launched the car for the first time. Wow. guys, it's moving. And come out this way?
Huh?
And come out this way?
Yeah.
Let's drive, yeah. Hey, Philip. You wanna see it? You wanna see if it going second? How? Because of the seat? Kind of hard to.
I'll do everything.
Yeah. All right, so guys, it's moving. So we're gonna try and see it. We're gonna try and see if
Take it out again.
thing you're out, I guess. Okay. All right. So yeah, guys, it's driving. Well, yo, the clutch, the clutch stay out here though. Like, trust me. So guys, yeah, we have good news, great news. Yeah, the car moves.
On its own power.
Yeah. We'll slip it again. It start, but it not run and drive. So yeah, so slip, running, and driving.
moving.
Yeah.
All you know is just tweak. Just little tweaks and then ready for the road.
Yeah. But you launch the car for the first, so we'll tell Corey. Like, yo, you just test the launch it, move it. It moved the oil and it moves.
No speaking.
That was sick already.
Yeah. Didn't expect that.
Yeah.
Didn't expect the clutch to be like that. Well,
Trust me.
I'm gonna.
I have a competition twin this in there, so it's very, very harsh.
Yeah. Plus, I was on a crate
Right.
style Recaro.
Yeah.
So that helped a lot with it, you know.
Yeah, that's not helping. But how the K2 shift up for you?
No, I feel good. It
Nice.
feel good. You know, it's not notchy like mine, like the hybrid racing one.
Yeah.
Mine
Kinda notchy.
Notchy. Short, very short.
Okay.
So
So guys, I want to thank you guys again for watching and subscribing and keep on sharing it. And remember guys, keep on sharing, keep on subscribing, and we continue to grow so we can give you more of these content. And we have a lot more coming. You see me? I want to say big up Philip again.
yeah, man.
And remember to follow JDM Freestyle.
JDM Freestyle. If
Yeah.
you want to see my build,
Right.
it's on JDM Freestyle.
I'm gonna leave a link in the description. So
Nice little hatch.
yeah. So guys, on to the next one. Respect. Mod Squad.
Out.